Hey, what's up guys? Today I have my first PC build for you for about $500. First I got the i3 6100 and it's a dual core processor, so I know you guys thinking, hey, why it's a dual core? And that's because otherwise it won't be $500. For the GPU I got an RX 470 and I will take the MSI or Asus one, but it doesn't really matter which brand you guys choose. It's really good for 1080p gaming and maybe even some games on 1440p. For the motherboard I got the MSI H110 Pro. It's a mini ETX and will fit in almost all cases. And then I got 8GB of DDR4 RAM from the Kingston HyperX series, and 8GB is enough for games. As power supply I got the EVGA 500W wide. It's only $36 right now on Amazon, so I think that's a good deal. And finally for the storage I got a 1TB hard drive from Western Digital. For the case I got the Deepcool Mid-Tower Tesseract SVRD. And that's it for today guys. I hope you guys liked it and see you guys later. All the links are in the description.